And we'll just take a look at the very short kind of work that I have set out for you to do today. So this is really the only lesson that I have set out for us today. If you finish it early, or if you've already finished it, maybe you want to look ahead to one of the bonus pages, or go back and I can repost that math game if you didn't get a chance to play it last week with the Beaver Lodges. Let's take a look. This is actually a real thing that you could look up. The pictures of this are wild. So students in Montreal set a record by making a 5,079 kilogram fruit salad using the amounts of fruit shown below. The previous record was 4,698 kilograms of fruit salad. This is a gigantic fruit salad. Yummy, yummy, fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Let's take a look here. So this is what we want to be investigating and working with. So these are the fruit in the salad, and this is the amounts. We are going to use this table. 2,449 kilograms of watermelon, 1,021 kilograms of pineapple, 150 kilograms to 200 kilograms of strawberry. So that's interesting because it gives us a range. The cantaloupe, it says, is almost 550 kilograms. So that also doesn't give us an exact amount. And then it says other fruit, and the amount of other fruit is unknown. So these are things we're going to be figuring out in our work today. So let's read the questions, and maybe we can start to do some of this work together, and we'll see how long our 3 minutes lasts here that we have left in our lesson. So number one says, choose possible amounts for the strawberries and cantaloupe. If you'd like to put a digital hand up, I'm going to lower all the hands, and if you put a hand up now, if you have an idea here. So for strawberries, you need to choose an amount between 150 and 200. So if I could choose someone who could pick an amount between 150 and 200. Not a trick question. All right, so that's what we're doing for 1A. That's it. We're already done page 1 of this sheet. Pretty easy. I'm just going to bring these amounts down to page 2. I wonder if I can do that. Will it let me? Oh, it might. Oh, wonderful. Oh, it won't. Okay, so that's as far as it'll let me bring it down. That's fine. All right, so use your amounts from part A and the amounts of watermelon and pineapple to calculate the amount of other fruit. So this is where it's going to challenge you to do some math. So now that we have our missing ingredients, it wants us to figure out how to calculate, or how to figure out, this unknown amount of other fruit. And I'm not going to tell you how to do it in this meet. We're going to start tomorrow by taking this up, so you can spend some time on it. But here's what I will do. Let's take a look at the important information that we're going to need to know. So this is the question mark. You need to figure out the unknown amount of other fruit. You have the amount of watermelon, the amount of pineapple, the amount of strawberries, and the amount of cantaloupe, especially if you're using our numbers here that Brooke and Esther gave us. You also have the total amount. So how can you use all that information to try to figure out your unknown amount? All right, I think that's as far as I want to go. This is a challenge for you. This is a problem to solve, and I'm interested in you working on it. And tomorrow, I am definitely interested in hearing people's strategies and also where people got stuck And yes, I thought we are adding and subtracting this unit. And I'm going to take it a little further and say you will need to use both of those skills to figure out how to answer this problem. There is a third question, and that is the previous fruit salad record was 4,698 kilograms. How much heavier is the 5,079 kilogram fruit salad? So this is another question you could work on. If you get stuck on this one here, 1B, then you can skip down to question 3. And I do know, I get it. We go from question 1 to question 3. I get it. Not a mistake. Okay, happy mathing. I hope you enjoy your work.